Question 17. A helicopter directly above a building sights a position A on the ground at an angle of depression of 38 degrees. The helicopter then rises vertically above the building, a distance of d in meters, and sights position A now at an depression of 52 degrees. If point A is 352.0 meters from the building, how far has the helicopter risen? That's a very interesting question. Let's try to sketch it first, right? So let's say this is the ground level and the helicopter is right somewhere here on this path, right? So there are two positions for the helicopter, and from both the positions, helicopter is watching a point A. So let's say this is the second position, right? So, and that is the point A for us. Now, so this is from one position, and then let's draw this line. This is the earlier position, right? So let me say that, let's read the problem once again. A helicopter directly above the building sights a position A, so let's say this is the building B, on the ground at an angle of depression of 38 degrees. The helicopter then rises above the building a distance of d. So earlier it was this position, and that angle for us is 38 degrees. Then it rises d meters above. So this distance is d more than the previous height, right? And sights position A now at an angle of depression of 52 degrees. So when we say angle of depression, then it means angle which is made with the horizontal. So with the horizontal, the angle made here is 52 degrees. Correct? So here also it was angle of depression. So what I did was I wrote as an elevation angle, but it is to be appreciated that both are same. How? So that angle is the given angle 38, right? Now these two lines are horizontal lines and they are parallel, and therefore this angle is equals to this angle. These are alternate angles. So actually speaking, I should have written 38 here. The angle of depression is this angle, correct? Horizontal with the line of sight. Horizontal with the line of sight, 52 degrees, okay? If point A is 352.0 meters from the building, so we are saying this point is 352.0 meters from the building. So AB is given to us. How far has the helicopter risen? So how far has it risen? That means this distance D is to be found, okay? Now what we can do is we can solve now this triangle and then the big triangle to get the total distance. Now if we look in the small triangle, let's say HD. Okay. Now let's analyze the triangle ATB. Triangle ATB, right? Now here the angle of depression 38 is also equals to this angle A, because they're alternate angles, right? So we say angle A equals to 38 degrees. They're alternate angles, right? Similarly, I should have not written angle A. I should have written TAB, right? In triangle ATB, angle A. That makes some sense, but it is basically, as you can see, angle TAB, right? So let me rewrite this as angle alternate angle. So I'll write angle TAB, right, is equals to 38. Now, the other triangle is the big triangle, where with the horizontal we have 52 degrees, right? So this is equal to that angle. Do you understand? This angle. That is an alternate angle. So angle HAB is 52, right? That's why angle A, we have to be specific. Let's solve this triangle ATB first, and then we'll get to the bigger triangle, okay? So in triangle ATB, we can say tan of 38 is TB over AB, right? Yeah. So we can write tan of 38 degrees is equals to TB over AB. Now from here we can find TB, right? So this implies that TB is equals to AB, which is 352.0 times tan of 38 degrees. Is that okay? Now we can find what TB is. So TB is equals, that's the initial height of the helicopter, is 352 times tan 38. And that is equals to 352 times tan of 38 is equals to 275.0. 275.0. So we know TB now. Now let's consider the big triangle, and that is triangle HAB. Now in this triangle, angle HAB is equals to 52 degrees, right? Since it is alternate angle of the given angle of depression, right? It's also an alternate angle between these two horizontal parallel lines, correct? Now we can use tan of 52 degrees is equals to total height HB, right? HB over the distance AB. Let me write 352 here, 0.0. So that gives us that HB is equals to 352 times tan 52, correct? 352 times tan 52, and so we can write HB is equals to, let's calculate, 352 times tan of 52, which gives us 450.54. We can write here 450.54. So that is total height HB, right? Okay, 450.54. Now what is this distance through which the helicopter moved? So from here we can say D is equals to total height HT minus TB, right? TB. So that is 450. So we got these two heights here, right? HT we calculated here and TB here. So these are the two heights which we calculated. Difference is the difference of the height, right? 450.54 take away 275.0, right? So we get 450.54 take away 275 equals to 175.5 to one decimal place, right? So we get 175.5 meters, right? And therefore we can write the answer is 175.5 meters, right? So it is, if point A is 352.0 meters from the building, how far has the helicopter risen, right? So it rose further 175.5 meters, the distance D, right? So that is how we are going to answer this question, right?